Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Okay, today, the wigs I wore in December. Well, first of all, welcome to 2023. This is my first video of the new year, and I'm excited to get started this year. I'm going to keep on just like I have been. I'm going to show you every color, every style, every shape, everything I can going forward, just like I have previously. But even more, hopefully, going forward in 2023. Now, this video is going to be just like the ones I always do like this. So I want to show you some of the wigs, a few of the wigs I chose in the previous month. And if you've watched these videos from me before, you know exactly how they work. You just go to the drop-down box below this video. Be sure to expand the drop-down box, and there will be links to all of these wigs. I've already reviewed them all. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to show them to you quickly. But if you want to see, if you see one and you think, oh, I want to know a little more about that, just go to the drop-down box. There'll be a link there to my full videos, and those contain outdoor lighting, cap construction, styling tips, full discussions of the wigs. But today it's just fun. This is just showing you a few that I chose in the month of December. So let's get started and let's see, what did I wear? Okay, that's a few of the wigs I wore in December. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that bell notification. If you're not following me on Instagram, that is so much fun over there. I post every day a different wig, a different content on a wig. I have giveaways. I do all kinds of fun things on Instagram at Crazywiglady. So I look forward to seeing you over there. Okay, we're going to have so much fun this year. Stay with me in 2023. Have a great day.